Hi guys, it's Barney, and I'm going to show you how to crimp hair. I've already crimped one top. Brush your hair through. Okay. Oh, maybe. It's kind of a little bit too. Oh, look at this. Put your fringe out the way unless you want to crimp it, but it doesn't look super great. When you fringe it out, crimped. It depends what type of fringe you've got, but me, I don't want to do it because I've tried it twice and it doesn't look great. So, get both sides of the fringe off. Oh my god, I look funny. There you go. So, top, don't go really close to the head and really far up, because that could burn your scalp and that could be very painful. So be careful while you're using the crimp. Now, your crimpers may be different, because mine has this setting in it, but I don't, yours might be different, so this is just how to crimp them. So, I need to move this back. There you go. So, move this top, not very far up. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Put that out of the way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry, that was fair. That was not fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not doing all of my hair. It's gonna take too long. My hair's quite thick and long. I don't really like my hair. I want that red and all that. I'm just doing bits where you can see my hair. Okay. It doesn't look that great on me, but I bet it's gonna look great on you guys. Ow, ow, ow. That's what you don't do. Once you fall out and burn your head. 1, 2, 3, 5. God, this is getting really boring. Looks terrible on me. I should have done it on a friend. Okay, that's my hair done. Got mine like, oh my god, if I turn around you can see this back comes out. It's a bit stupid. It doesn't really work for me, as you can see. But for you guys it'll probably work really well. And when you're doing the back, best thing is, if you can, try and get someone else to do the back. Same way as I did. But if you can't, what you do, hold it up and do it like that. And if you want it to look really, really nice, because if it's just casual and you just don't really care, you're just doing it like this. But if you want it really nice, like you're going out or you're going to a party, and you would want it to stay like that, you do underneath as well. And you just clip it up when you've done that bit, and yeah. And you also put like spray in it. Mine didn't actually turn out that well. I know, I know it's disgusting. But yeah, I'm sure it's gonna look amazing on you guys, and I hope that helped. Best thing is though, unless you have thick frizzy hair, don't brush it afterwards unless you really have to, because then it gets quite frizzy. But for you thin hair people, it won't, obviously. Not because it's done, it's frizzy. Because if I brush it now, it's probably going to get frizzy. But it might not, because I strained it before. As it takes off. See, mine's gone more frizzy. And it will go even frizzier later. And it wouldn't have gone as frizzy. Oh my god, it's soft, sorry. It wouldn't have gone, it's gone as frizzy as it has before, because I straightened it before I did this. But it's starting to get frizzy. And this looks really neat on straight like that. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I hope that helped. It might not. But yeah, that's for the girls obviously. Unless boys are gonna be a bit weird and do it. Yeah. Okay, so I hope that helped. Bye.